Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Wally, and today we are going to talk about subtraction. First, I want to introduce you to my friend Linus the Minus. Linus the Minus is going to help us remember that when we see him, that we need to subtract or take away. Now, we are going to use Linus the Minus and solve some number stories. Remember that when you are listening to a word problem, you need to make sure to listen for the numbers very carefully. Before we start, check to make sure that you have something to write with and something to write on. That way we can practice together. Okay, are you ready for the number story? Here it comes. Listen for those numbers very carefully. Limo has 4 treats. He eats 3 treats. How many treats are left over? Listen to the problem one more time and be listening for those numbers. Limo has 4 treats. He eats 3 treats. How many treats does Limo have left? All right, now that we've heard the word problem, let's try solving this together. Let's think back. How many treats did Limo start with? Limo started with 4. So let's draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. But in the story, I heard that he ate 3. So if he ate 3, that means we need to take some away. So we're going to be using subtraction. So let's use our pencil again and cross off 3 of those treats. 1, 2, 3. And the question was, how many treats does Limo have left? He has 1 treat left. Now, let's see if we can write the equation to match the picture we drew. Think again, how many treats did Limo start with again? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the number 4. He took away, so we're going to use Linus the Minus. How many treats did he take away? Look here, 1, 2, 3. We crossed off 3, so let's write the number 3. And we want to know how many are left over. So 4 minus 3 equals how many left over? 1 treat is left over. This time, I'm going to give you a number story, and I want you to pause the video and try to solve the problem by yourself. All right, are you ready? Listen for those numbers carefully. After you've solved the problem, play the video again and we'll check to make sure that we have the same answer. Okay. There are 7 kindergartners at school. 2 kindergartners go home. How many kindergartners are left? Listen again for those numbers. There are 7 kindergartners at school. 2 go home. How many kindergartners are left? Pause the video and try to solve this one all on your own. Then press play and we'll check to make sure we have the same answers. Okay, let's check those answers. Did you draw a picture of 7 circles first? Did you cross off 2 of those circles? If you did, you should have 5 circles left. Now let's check your equation. Did you write 7 to show there were 7 kindergartners to start with? Did you draw your Linus the Minus to show that we are taking away 2 kindergartners? And then did you end with an equal sign to show how many are left over? And there are 5 left over. If you did, give yourself a whoop whoop. And you now understand how to solve word problems in subtraction. Your teacher will be sending home a practice page to practice some subtraction. Make sure to bring that in for a special something from your teacher. Have a great night!